Hello, I am Hossein from Bosch. I'd like to show you some interesting solutions for system tools and accessories for plasterers. Wall sander Bosch Drift with the sanding grade, drywall screwdriver with the screw tray, cutter for quick cutting holes in a drywall, hole punch for socket and switch boxes, cross laser for measuring. First, let's start with the GLL 380CG laser. The GLL 380CG professional line laser projects three distinctive 360-degree green lines, and they are great to see. By using the remote control in the leveling control app, you can get the precise laser line while you are on your own when leveling even long walls without running back and forth. The leveling control app allows contactless control via Bluetooth remote control. The GLL 380CG can achieve leveling even on uneven surfaces up to +/- 4 degrees in less than 4 seconds with the excellent accuracy of +/- 0.2 mm. The next tool in the line is the GTB 185 LI Drywall Screwdriver in conjunction with the GMA 55 screw feeder. The GTB 185 LI is a lightweight, fits well, and PowerSAVE function saves the battery, and even for 2000 3.5x25 sheet metal screw, the 2Ah capacity is enough. The PowerSAVE function saves the battery and allows the screwdriver to run up to 3 times longer. We will show you in a demonstration. Just activate the function. The screwdriver is running continuously, but be aware that the motor only starts when you push the screw. This saves a lot of battery. It is used with common tap screws, screw length 25-55 mm, max shank diameter 5 mm, max screw head diameter 9.5 mm. Another tool is a cutter for holes in a plaster board, GCU 18V30. Such a small cordless tool will do the job. It can be used to cut smaller holes, for example, a switchboard in a plasterboard or a bar for 5 sockets side by side. But it can also be used to cut holes for windows or doors in a plasterboard partitions. The GCU 18V30 is definitely efficient on the job. Thanks to the EC motor, it can do the job all day long with a single Procore 4Ah battery. We are talking up to 100 meters in 12 mm plasterboard here. And one detail, not forgetting the sealed switch design, working in a dust, so no sliding switch that would quickly stop working, but a push button and seal. A spiral drywall cutter is included, as well as 3 other different size pliers for different applications such as plywood. Another accessory is a punch for holes for boxes, example for socket. This is the expert model for very demanding condition. Plasterboard certainly belongs rightly in this category. Exceptional durability thanks to Bosch Carbide Technology, together with the power change plus adapter and the right centering drill bit, you can make lots and lots of holes with ease and precision. Check out how it drills quickly, accurately and cleanly. The last and no less important protagonist is our wall sander, the so-called drift, as everyone knows. The Bosch GTR 550 drift, launched by Bosch in early 2022, it has since earned its reputations for being reliable, powerful, handy, and a very practical helper for you plasterboard guys. Let's have a quick chat and show you the main benefits. First, patented ultra-flexible sander head, unrestricted movement, adapts beautifully to the surface. Second, sealing suction function, clamps just right to the sealing so it's not as heavy. Third, a stable motor design with the hose will not damage the sanding area. Fourth, additional L-shaped handle, better to hold and not so tiring to work overhead. Fifth, can be quickly converted to the long version or conversely a short version sealing or narrow places. Working lengths from 1.1 meters to 2.3 meters. In conjunction with the GTR 550, we would like to point out that one, if you wanted to get the best suction and protect your lungs, use the Bosch M480 net grinding grade, and second, if you wanna save the support disc as much as possible, use the PowerSAVE. It works great. We are back in the studio, and before we say goodbye, let's do a quick recap. The Bosch GTR 550, the tried and tested sander for wall sealing drywallers, definitely need GCU 18V30 router for plaster and other material, helps a lot and looks better. Plasterers will use a screwdriver GTB 185 Li. If you have a bigger job ahead, the conjunction with GMA 55 professional plasterers have no other choice. GLL 380CG a great helper. The plasterer will confirm. Not forgetting the expert punch, the M480 net grinding grade, and the PowerSAVE will extend the life of the backing disc. The plasterer is satisfied. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching. If you wanna see other interesting clips about Bosch professional technical solution, follow our YouTube channel and subscribe. All the best.